Hi, welcome to QMark's new vlog for product information. Today we'll cover some different types of styli we offer for Faro ARM users, as well as some cost-saving tips. ARM-type CMMs have continued to improve in capability and accuracy. Along the way, Faro has made changes to their ARM CMMs that have required them to change the type of styli they use, as well as how they connect. QMark has 3 different thread size connections available. We'll show you some samples so you can recognize the type you're using. First, we have the original M6 male thread. We offer this style in a wide range of sphere sizes and materials, including ruby, silicon nitride, and zirconia. We offer thread adapters that allow you to go from M6 threads to smaller thread sizes you may already use on your CMM, like M5. This gives you the option of using longer styli with greater clearance. More recently, Faro moved to a much larger 1 1/4 by 20 female thread, as seen here. This style is widely used today. Again, we offer all 3 sphere materials with these bases. We also offer 2 thread adapters for this style, M6 and M5. Faro's latest release uses a kinematic connection. What many users don't know is that the stylus on the end is removable. It's only held in place with thread locker. To replace these, you don't need to purchase a whole kinematic connection assembly with the stylus attached. If a sphere becomes worn or damaged, it can easily be replaced with a new M4 threaded stylus. We offer replacement M4 styli for less than $100. The full OEM replacement with kinematic connection and the new stylus runs about $600, so that's a big savings. If you have any questions or need a custom quote, call us at 949-457-1913 or email sales@cmms.com. We're here to help.